Learn English with Abiha.
Today we are going to learn prepositions of time. What is a preposition? Definition. A preposition is a word or group of words which shows relationship between a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase in a sentence to indicate location, direction, time, and place. Prepositions of time. Prepositions of time. In, on, at, to, from, for, until, till, by, during, before, after, since, within, between, throughout. In. It is used in sentences for future times. Examples: we are moving in 6 months. I will get married in 2 years. On. On is used for dates, days, and holidays. Examples are: my birthday is on November 1st. We are having a party on Sunday. At. It is used for specific times. Examples are: I will meet you at 4 p.m. I will be there at night. 2. Indicates a specific time or ending time. Examples: the school is open from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. I will be shopping from morning to evening. From. It indicates the starting of time. Examples: the match starts from tomorrow. I will be playing from 3 p.m. For. It indicates time durations. Examples: I have been playing for 2 hours. I have been working for 6 hours. Until. It is used for up to a specific time. Examples: she will sleep until 5 a.m. The market is open until midnight. Till. It shows duration or continuation until a specific time. Examples: I will wait till she is ready. I will be there till 7 p.m. By. It is used for deadlines. Examples: this assignment must be completed by Thursday. The deadline is by the end of this week. During. It is used for durations or periods. Examples: Sarah will be on vacation during summer. I will complete this task during holidays. Before. It is used for earlier than a specific time. Examples: let's meet before 5 p.m. You should eat before you go. after. It is used for later than a specific time. Examples: I will see you after dinner. I will play after I finish work. Since. It is used for starting points in the past. Examples: I have been doing this job since 2015. Sarah has lived in this house since 2004. Within. It is used for limited time duration. Examples: I have to finish this task within a week. You will receive the package within 3 days. Between. It indicates the range of time. Examples: Doctor is available between 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. This shop is open between Monday and Friday. Throughout. It is used for the duration of an event. Examples: The new policy applies throughout the department. The hotel hosts events throughout the year. Thanks for watching the video.